What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Wingstop Poppy back at you guys today with another video. Now today's video we actually have a sneaker unboxing from one of my favorite brands, and then a brand I think is gonna kill 2020, and that is New Balance. Sorry, I accidentally said we got a New Balance. Whatever, you know, I made a mistake. But anyways, we got an unboxing here, as you can see, New Balance. But before we get into these beautiful shoes, please hit that like and subscribe, and feel free to follow me on Instagram to see how I style these sneakers. I will be posting a fit pic with these soon. I have an idea. I just gotta find time, and hopefully the weather gets a little better here. But anyways, let's just get right into it. As you guys have seen, we have a New Balance box made in America. That's the best part about these shoes, is that they're made right here in our homeland. If you're not from America, well, I guess we would have to export them to you. But anyways, as you can see, we got a 990. We got a size 10.5, and we have a collaboration 990, and it's a version 3. And let's pop the top, and bang bang, here we go. The Stray Rats 990 version 3. Yeah, beautiful colorway, Joker themed, as you guys can see. You got this purple suede, you got the green, you got the black mesh, you got the black suede by the toe cap. This shoe is absolutely beautiful. I actually picked these up on StockX. I got these for retail. They had like a seller fees, like discount thing, and I actually found these for retail. So I saw the price, I had to jump on it. I slept on these when they released. I don't even think I tried, but I liked them. I just like didn't really know when they were like releasing. It's one of those like shock drop releases, and if you missed it, you missed it. And yeah, I just like totally missed it. But I've always liked these shoes. On the back right here, you got made in the USA. You got a chrome New Balance, and you got the SR86, which I believe stands for Stray Rats 86, so maybe they were founded in 1986. Not 100% sure, but that's just my logical guess. Now, Stray Rats is actually a streetwear brand in Miami, and they were allowed to do this collaboration with DC Comics and New Balance because this actually has a official Joker themed insoles, and it says DC, and then it says Stray Rats New Balance. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get this for the camera, but I'm going to try. So there you go. There's the insole on the left shoe and the insole on the right. So you can see that this is actually an official collaboration. So this isn't just like a theme shoe. This is like an official collaboration with DC. So that makes it even cooler. And it also came with these orange laces as well. So if you want to set these off even more, you always have that option. And yeah, there actually was two versions of this shoe, I should mention. There was a gray one and there was a black one. I went with the black just because I already have a gray 990. I have an all gray 990 V4, and I figured I'd just get something different. And I just love how the colors come off this black. I think it looks really nice. And yeah, this is just something different. I really like the New Balance 990s as it is. I really like the V3. And it's really hard to find V3s now that they're on the V5, so obviously they don't bring out V3s anymore. So when these brands do get to collaborate, I do like when they go back, and New Balance allows them to use like the older 990 models. But yeah, that's all I got. By the way, it has a gray midsole, as you can see, with black paint speckle and straight black outsole as well. Yeah, I can't wait to wear these. I think that the best thing about 990s is you could style them so many different ways. It's a very versatile sneaker, so you could style it with streetwear, you could style it with business casual, suits, etc. Like so versatile, and it just adds a little bit. And they're super comfortable. Like this is one of the most comfortable shoes that you could possibly buy, and the materials on it are premium, so it's gonna last a while. So I feel like if you're just looking to buy a shoe and you're trying to get like, you know, your aesthetic increase, my suggestion would be to buy a New Balance 990. Maybe it doesn't have to be the Stray Rats one, but just like a standard gray 990. I mean, that shoe will probably last you a good at least 2 years, at least. But yeah, I don't want to go on a rant any longer. I really do like these shoes. So yeah, one last 360 for you guys. Absolutely beautiful. Glad I picked these up. But yeah, that's going to do it for me. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.